Okay, so in your kit, I'm gonna do the egg, okay? I'm gonna do the sound. So one of the things is I just want you guys to, I just want you to get into a comfortable spot. You can see that Tori and I are on the floor. I'm comfortable. I talk with my hands. I'm comfortable on the floor. It just kind of redirects my thinking. So you just need to get into a comfortable spot, and that's your first thing. I want you to get comfortable. And I just want you to kind of just take a deep breath, right? Just kind of let it all go. And then just pick up your egg out of your kit. And again, the sound can be different on how you're feeling. So I want you just to kind of close your eyes and just start shaking it, okay? And just see if you want it faster. Ooh, that to me just brought me to a higher level. So I'm gonna know that I just need to do it slowly. And as I do it slowly, I can already feel myself just winding down, calming down. And so now I'm just gonna sit quietly. I've gotten the motion that I like. I got the rhythm that's making me feel very, very centered and calm inside. And I'm just gonna sit here for just a few minutes quietly. Okay, and so as you can see, I shook it, and now slowly my body just started to calm down, and my thoughts came more focused on the egg than it did the situation. And that is what is so cool, is that we can redirect our thoughts and our feelings into this and give this all the energy, and then it takes the energy and the feelings out of us. And so I just want you to just see if this resonates with you, and you just do whatever works for you. So here's a little bit on how you use the egg.